Today's screencast is going to demonstrate how to take Revit through LumenRT into the FULmax. So what we have here is our 3D view open in Revit. In this case we're using the sample scene that comes with Revit. We've set our viewport to realistic. We've also set our settings to fine, and all we're going to do is go to add-ins, and if you've installed LumenRT you'll get the LumenRT export option on the menu. We're going to click that, and depending on how large the model is, it will take a few seconds to a few minutes. You can see here it's gathering all the data together, and it's going to then create the LumenRT live cube, which can be shared and viewed in the FULmax. Again, this could take a few seconds to a few minutes, possibly even up to a few hours, depending on the size of the federated model. Once we've got that open in LumenRT, you can see we can navigate very easily on the screen. But if you then run your LumenRT integration in the FULmax, you can then see whatever we've got on the workstation screen, we can then navigate in the FULmax. And this gives us the full LumenRT experience with the ability to change time of day. So you can see the sun position moving in real time. We've then got the ability to do lighting inside the model. And with the LumenRT suite, here we can do things such as section planes. So if we come and open up our sectioning box, clipping plane, add a new clipping plane, and then we're going to clip from the north in this example. Should have clipped from the south, but either way, you can see very quickly whatever you do in LumenRT is then echoed in the FULmax. So with that, we've then got the ability as well to go in and hide certain layers. So if we wanted to turn off, let's say, the ceilings, for example, we can click on the ceilings option. We can turn off casework. We see the workbench disappears there. Or we can turn off walls as an example, so we get an idea of what's through spaces. And this is very simple to use. You see how quickly we could go from Revit through into the FULmax, and this is all faithfully at life scale. So that's Revit through LumenRT into the FULmax in a matter of seconds.